At the end of a heartbreaking week, Steve Hartman has a story that gives us what we need most: hope. Here's tonight's On the Road.
For ICU nurse Caitlin Obrock, the last year has been a blur. She has treated hundreds of COVID patients here at Barnes Jewish Hospital in St. Louis. But she says one patient stands above.
From the very beginning, Monique was special to me.
28-year-old Monique Jones came to the hospital deathly ill from COVID and 6 months pregnant.
The baby was priority over her. She would do anything for her baby.
Eventually, Monique had to be intubated, but Caitlin still talked to her, prayed over her, countless hours. And when doctors decided the only hope for mother and child was an emergency C-section, Caitlin made a promise.
And I was like, if Monique makes it, we're gonna throw her the biggest baby shower there is to have.
A promise she joyfully kept when Zamira arrived. All 2 pounds, 5 ounces of her.
I just started crying as soon as I saw everything. I'm like, this couldn't be for me.
Caitlin raised thousands of dollars from friends, family, and coworkers. And even though her favorite patients are now out of the hospital,
Oh my God.
Caitlin still visits regularly.
It's so big.
Has to. She's the godmother and Monique's new best friend.
I never really felt that special to somebody. I really needed somebody like her.
It's important, especially at the end of this god-awful week, to know that while all this was happening, so was this. While chaos reigned in Washington, compassion ruled in this corner of the heartland and across the country, because the soul of America can't be ransacked. And the solution to what ails us, sure as heck, isn't under a dome.
It's not a matter of politics, it's just a matter of loving people. It's what we need. The days that I feel like I can't go anymore, through those hard days when I don't think my patient's gonna make it, that I just know there's another Monique that needs us.
And there's your battle cry, America, for a real uprising. Steve Hartman, CBS News, on the road.